going for the walk, going on the walk. Yeah. It's like really hot, even just staying still today, but it was a really nice week. Okay, just as I was walking out, there was this really cool butterfly. Maybe I should go lock him up or something. We're about to start the walk. Guys, we're about to start the walk, and also I'm going on a walk today with my boyfriend's little brother. Guys, we are walking. It's a nice, actually relaxing day to be walking. Getting this, yeah, almost the bus stop.
100.
Hey guys, just to let you know, my iPad is on 5%, so hopefully we'll video all this.
Happy Halloween!
In the bus stop.
Oh my god, there's so much rubbish here. It's disgusting. Guys, it's starting to sprinkle. That sucks. We're
Yep.
going to be walking for a little while if it's going to start raining. The breeze is so good. Like, the raining and stuff isn't, but the breeze just goes through your hair and it's so relaxing and cold.
How far we have to walk, guys. But the rain stopped, so we better hurry up. Hey, Declan.
Yeah, where the pink flowers are is where our house is.
Day 6 walk. Didn't look like we could do it, but we tried. But we're going to be doing some stuff when we get home.
Yeah, so we might have to put the iPad on charge because it's literally at 2% right now. Yeah.
Poor little guy.
Once I've seen a cane toad with his brains popped out.
Okay, come on. Well, we'll continue this vlog. Guys, we made it back.
Oh, I'm so hot.
Same. Did you hot?
No. Probably just the fan breeze, because sometimes it stinks.
Yeah, but we're going to be doing some exercise stuff. Hey, Declan.
Yeah, not just in here, maybe
No.
outside too.
Yeah.
Do the stuff because we need to get sweaty to do it because the sweat helps us like do the stuff better.
but tomorrow I'll be doing extra long walks. Okay guys, well